Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to show tagged photos on your Instagram profile. Why would you want to know how to show tagged photos on your Instagram profile? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to show tagged photos on your Instagram profile. So today I am going to show you how to show tagged photos on your Instagram profile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Showing tagged photos on your Instagram profile is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will show tagged photos on your Instagram profile. First of all, open Instagram app in your device, and now here is my Instagram home screen. Then first open that account who tagged you, and now first open that post, and then click on three dots in the right top corner, and then tap on tag option, and now select show in my profile, and now click on your profile icon, and then open tag option, and your tagged photo is here. So there you go. If you were wondering how to show tagged photos on your Instagram profile, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.